Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mercedes Benz E Class. So we're on sat-nav at the moment. That's telephone there. If I go up to telephone, you see here telephone connect device. If I go down to telephone, that won't really show anything. Now, if I go to connect device, I don't want to connect to device either, but if you go to connect device, click on connect device, then it brings up a list of all the phones. Here we go, and you see there's a menu at that side. So Michael's phone there, knock the controller over to the side, click on it, click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Michael's phone? Yes. Click on yes. That's it gone. So we'll just do that again. So select my phone, hang on. Select my phone there, click over to the side, click on it again, click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone Pro? Yep, that's it done. I'll do it again with this one. Deauthorize, yes, yes. Deauthorize, yes. So that's it, they're all gone.